Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a little Sunday reset because we just need to do my weekly reset today. And oh, my cat is joining to say hello. Anyways, we're doing a weekly reset today. I'll just bring you through my Sunday. I'm going to do a little bit of work today too. But yeah, I'll just bring you through my day. I started off the morning reading outside, just had a nice quiet morning. I've been reading the Housemaid series and I am on book number 2. So those have been really good so far and I really enjoy them. So we're on book number 2. There is 3 books, I believe. So once I finish this one, we'll see if I jump right into the next one or take a little break. We'll see. But yeah, started the morning off doing that, ate some breakfast, relaxed a little bit since it is the weekend. I want to enjoy my time. But yeah, now I am getting ready. I think I'm going to go for a walk and then head to the grocery store. I'm going to check out and see if the trail by the grocery store, if there's parking, and if there is, I'm going to go for a walk there, then hit the grocery store. If not, we'll see what happens, but I'll bring you along. All right, there was parking at the trail, so I'm going to do a quick maybe like 2 miles, I don't know, we'll see, but we're gonna walk now. And I think I'm gonna get my AirPods. This is like a really public trail, so I feel really safe on it to listen to music, or a podcast, maybe a podcast just in one ear though, so I can still hear what the heck is going on. I just walked 2 miles, took me about like 40 minutes, just a slow, leisurely pace, and it's pretty toasty. Now I'm gonna head to the grocery store, go to the store, get my groceries for the week, what I need, and I don't think it's too much because I already have like some dinner stuff in the fridge. So we're gonna go to the store now, just get little stuff that I need, and then I'll chat with you. Okay, just got back from the store, so let me show you guys what I got. My cat is already getting into his stuff. Cat food for the boy. All right, we got some Greek yogurt as always. We got some pineapple. Got some Olipop, of course. Got some bananas, some eggs, got some coffee. I've been not drinking that much caffeine, but I really like that one, so we bought it. I got these. Don't really know what these are, but I thought I would try it. Rice cakes, sourdough English muffins, some natural peanut butter, and then last but not least, avocado and Catalina Crunch. Like I said earlier, this isn't like my whole like weekly grocery haul because I do already have dinner like bought. So I have pasta and I have a bunch of chicken in the freezer that I keep always. So I'm gonna defrost that for tomorrow. I have dinner for tonight already, but like leftovers, all of that. But starting tomorrow, I'm gonna make a big batch of pasta and chicken for the entire week. Put all my groceries away and now I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl. I'm gonna use chopped spinach, some blueberries. I'll use this, and then I'm gonna use strawberries, mango. So it's all frozen fruit that I just keep on hand so that I can do stuff like this and it doesn't go bad. Forgot to mention, I always put Greek yogurt in any smoothie or smoothie bowl I make to get that added protein. All right, came to the gym to use the sauna and detox. I've been trying to use the sauna at least 2 times each week. So this would be my 2nd time using it this week. So just trying to get it in and get a nice sweat in, detox. And yeah, this is all a part of like my wellness journey that I have been on. I think I'll make a complete different video going over that, but I'm just gonna relax and be in here for at least 20 minutes. Okay, it's much later now. I have showered, did some work, and now it's time to clean the floors. So I'm gonna vacuum and then I'm gonna mop the floors because it's needed. I do this every week, deep clean the floors because no, it gets nasty. So especially when you have a cat. I do have to vacuum a few times in the week because of him. He sheds a lot. But here's like the full deep clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you a little bit, but it's not that exciting. Next up is mopping. So this big mop bucket, I gotta fill it up. And then also put in this lovely stuff. So let's go ahead and fill this bad boy up. My apartment's not that big, so I'm not gonna fill it up like too much. And then I think, yeah, this is open. All right, so now it's time to actually mop. So let's go ahead and do that. My favorite part about mopping is this part right here. It's just so satisfying. I'm about to show you guys why you need to mop as well. I'm about to dump the water into the toilet and just show you how nasty it is. And this is why you need to mop instead of only Swiffer if you do that, because heck no, it gets so gross. Currently I mop and I do Swiffer, but I make sure I mop once a week because if I don't, it gets nasty. The water today isn't actually that nasty, but sometimes it's like really gross. I'm about to show you the mop water I just dumped in the toilet, and this is why you need to mop instead of only Swiffering, okay? That is why. I just cleaned. I also did laundry already. I kind of just did that on my own. Felt like it wasn't that fun to show me doing laundry. I don't know. I feel like that's kind of boring. But now we're gonna do some dishes from today. And I did bake today, so I have extra in the sink and I just need to clean it up. I don't know about you, but I have a dishwasher, but I just be hand washing things half the time. I don't know. I'd rather just like do it myself. I don't know why. I feel like using a dishwasher like every single day is like I'll use it like once a week and that's kind of what I do. But we're about to hand wash some dishes. Again, not really gonna show you this. It's kind of boring. So this is my Sunday reset. I gotta get everything nice and clean. And I already did wipe down like my bathroom earlier, the bathroom sink and all of that. Wipe down the counters. Yeah, it's not that complicated or special to really show, but I do a deep clean every Sunday just to make sure like I'm ready to start the week and make sure everything just feels good. So that's kind of what I do. And now we're gonna actually do the dishes. All right, well, everything is cleaned up. I feel reset for the week. I feel good. I don't do my meal preps on Sundays. I do them on Mondays. So I'm not gonna be doing my meal prep today, which is like probably what you would expect in some type of Sunday reset. But again, I do them on Mondays. It just flows better with my schedule. So yeah, I am all done and I'm gonna end the video here. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my night, relaxing and everything, probably read some more of my book, all of that. So I've been watching Gilmore Girls too, so I'm probably gonna watch a little bit of that. I watched them earlier when I was working and I was doing a little bit of like coaching work. I do a little work block on Sundays, usually doing some like client programming stuff, just making sure everyone is all good for the week. So did that earlier and yeah, now I'm gonna go relax. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more to come. I have been really wanting to just get back into the swing of things with YouTube. It's just a really fun outlet for me. So I'm hoping to get an actual like desktop soon. I've been editing on my iPad recently. So hopefully I'm gonna get a desktop so I can actually like push these out quicker. It's just a little bit complicated to edit on my iPad. It's just, I don't know, it's a little bit tough. So I want to get a desktop and everything to be more, just for it to be more accessible and easy. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe.